as you can see, I am offshore. I'm supposed to go 40 miles, but it is a little rougher than I expected it to be. I'm hoping as I get a little further out, it flattens out and I can make better speed. So here's an update. I am just about 20 miles away from the customer. We've got, I would say, 2 to 4 with occasional 5s. It's not so much the wave heights as it is the frequency. As long as I can stay on course, I'm actually getting a better ride than if the wind turns me. In a minute, I'm going to come to a stop and try to call the customer on the VHF. Marianne. This is Towboat US on 16, over.
Towboat US, that's Coast Guard 16, over.
Coast Guard, my update right now is I'm able to make about 15 knots, which should put me at the location roughly 1 hour from now.
Towboat US, Coast Guard, good copy. Captain Arnold, you copied the last transmission from Marianne. Marianne confirmed that they were back under power under one engine, one singular engine, making their way back into port. However, we need guys to establish communication with them. We need other assets fully capable of coming back into port.
Coast Guard, yeah, if you could, I just hailed them, they didn't answer. If you could find out their current position, that would be helpful so that I'm not headed to the wrong spot.
US Coast Guard 16, Captain, we can. Unfortunately, they're not reading us. I believe they're 2 miles short still. We were going to ask if you guys can make contact with them as they keep heading out offshore. How copy?
Understood. Okay, so if you read that, it sounds like they are underway again with one engine. Hopefully, we're on the same course. And we'll meet up at some point. Marianne, this is Towboat US on channel 16, over. Coast Guard, this is Towboat US on 16, over. Coast Guard, Coast Guard, Coast Guard, this is Towboat US up 16.
Later.
Coast Guard, this is Towboat US. I do see a vessel about a mile off my port side. I'm going to go check it out. You guys okay? I'm looking for a 25-foot Boston whaler that's out here. Yeah, the coordinates are, I'm going to go to the original coordinates. Thanks, sorry to bother you.
Eventually.
Marianne, 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 this is Towboat US on 16.
This is Marianne.
Just looking for your location.
We are 29, 13, 7, 24, 80, 22, 587.
Okay, stand by. I'm going to need to write that down. Stand by. Are you underway at this point with one motor?
We are inching in at 5 miles per hour. We're coming up kind of party ground way. We're still probably about 30 miles out.
All right. Can you take those? All right, put one on each of those cleats. Just lay it right over your two front cleats. Coast Guard, Coast Guard, Coast Guard. This is Towboat US.
Towboat US, Coast Guard guard.
I have Marianne in tow. ETA to the inlet is about 7:30 p.m.
Good copy, we're staying around
1 hour later.
So here's a quick update. It's about 5:30. We're still 25 miles from the inlet. ETA at the inlet is 7:30. Then I've got to get these folks to the swoop ramp. So that put about 8:30. Puts me back at the marina probably 9:30, 10 o'clock. We've got some, I would say 3 to 4 footers at least. And unfortunately they're coming from my broadside, so having a pretty rough ride here. One of those days when you wish you had an autopilot.
Several bad puns later.
So here's a 6 p.m. update. We are still just about 17 miles offshore. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but we do have a nice Florida thunderstorm off our port bow. I know that the camera flattens it out, but we are definitely getting consistent 5-footers with an occasional 6, and they are hitting me broadside, which is not what I really wanted. So that's the update for now.
1 hour later.
We're still about 10 miles offshore. It's still pretty nasty out here. Might get hazard pay for this one. Oh, looks like we're just getting back into service. Cell service. So I'll start getting messages from the office. Sorry, I'll be out of here in a minute. Oh, you got a fish.
Kind of. You know what?
That's good. They'll go ahead and bill the insurance company. Here's oh shoot, it's wet. Here's my card. It has my name, my email address, and my YouTube account. My YouTube. All right. Oh well, thank you. I would appreciate it. I have Venmo. I have Zelle too, but that would be probably my phone number. Yeah. Yeah, if it's not, the phone number's on there. And if it's not that, just text me on my phone number and I'll give you something else. But I'm glad it was a lot easier coming into the inlet than I thought it was going to be. I thought we were going to have a tough time because the waves were going to be at our back. But I was getting a little seasick at one point.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oh. Well, you guys, that's the furthest that I've ever gone offshore.
Really?
Yeah, to tow somebody, yep.
Oh, wow.
All right, did you catch fish? All right, well, good luck.